Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for all things Charleston and beyond. I'm Ashley Meservy. So when it comes to the world of cosmetic surgery, it's always changing, and that can sometimes make it a little more difficult to decide which route to take. Today, we're chatting with a low-country plastic surgeon about the benefits of something called radio frequency and why it may be a good option for those looking for a skin tightening procedure with minimal downtime. Joining us today, Dr. Sonny O. We're here at Timeless U right here in Mount Pleasant. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so I've heard so much about you. Very popular here in Charleston. And
Thank
you actually have a procedure that we're going to talk about today that uses radio frequency, which it seems to be pretty popular these days, right?
It is. It's a relatively new technology for this application, but it uses radio frequency energy to shrink or tighten tissues.
Okay.
And it's a wonderful tool that I think has really taken the place of where some traditional surgery would have been done.
Like lipo or something?
Well, you can use it in conjunction with lipo,
Okay.
but the areas that I've seen really impressive results with and been very happy with are in the areas of the lower face and neck. And
Which is called face tight, right?
Face tight, correct.
Okay.
And specifically, I'm talking about the area where you would have a double chin.
Okay.
An area where you would have some excess fat, some loose skin.
Okay.
This treatment helps remove that fat, but also helps tighten the skin. So Face Tight has been a wonderful addition to my practice and what I can offer to my patients.
Okay, so how many procedures do you have to have before you see results?
Great question. With this treatment, all it takes is one treatment. There are other
Which is unheard of, right? I mean,
It
would
is
think
different.
that most times you come back in like 5 times. And
Yep, it is different than other traditional options now to treat the double chin.
Okay.
Those sometimes require 2-3 treatments, but this can be done in one setting. And you know, Face Tight, the results I'm seeing with it really are impressive.
And I mean, you've used all kinds of technology over the years, so really when you get these type of results first time around, that's pretty impressive, right?
It is, yeah, and that's the whole reason I've kind of migrated to Face Tight as a technology is that I wasn't quite getting the results with some injectables for the neck and other non-invasive fat treatments for the neck.
Okay, and we also have Body Tight, right?
Yes.
That can go to other areas, but still using radio frequency, correct?
Body Tight utilizes that same energy and it does a similar thing, which is to tighten skin. So the whole idea is to make an area that has skin laxity or looseness and tighten it and make that area appear smaller. Areas that have been very popular with my patients have been underneath the arms because, you know,
When they have the little jiggle
yeah, a little
thing.
bit of a jiggle. And so other places that patients might have a little jiggle would be their tummy.
Okay.
Or maybe in your thighs right above your knees.
Get the love handles?
It will help with the love handles too. Yeah, so you can just think of an area that you have some extra skin, some skin laxity, but you don't want to or are not a good candidate for traditional surgery. This is a minimally invasive procedure, both Body Tight and Face Tight, to address that skin laxity.
Okay, so you're talking about a candidate for this. So it probably wouldn't be for someone who's lost a significant amount of weight, or can it be used in conjunction with something else?
Typical patients who've lost a lot of weight have a lot of extra skin, and they're probably, you know, going to be better treated with traditional surgical options. So this is really intended for patients that have a focal area. So this is not for large areas.
Well, you know, these days with all these different types of procedures, I'm sure you'd probably recommend that the person come in and just find out what's the best road for them to take, right?
Absolutely. You know, the consultations that I do here, I like to individualize the treatment because everybody's different and their concerns are different. So, you know, be it Face Tight or Body Tight, or maybe even other modalities or treatments that we have, come in for a consultation, let us get to meet you, know you, and then we can customize a treatment plan for you.
So you got all kinds of tools in your tool belt, right?
Absolutely.
All right, well, thank you, doctor. And for more information, go online to drsonnyo.com.